Actor Shahid Kapoor is currently gearing up for his next film, Jersey. The actor treated his fans to a mirror selfie on Instagram. Shahid is seen wearing blue and white shirt as he flaunts a rugged look in the frame. Commenting on her husband's post, Meera gushed, "Hot, huh?" Shahid's selfie also impressed his brother and actor Ishaan Khattar. He wrote, "Jersey aane do." In his second comment, he wrote, "Dang." His stylist Ali Makeem also reacted with fire emoji on Shahid's post. Shahid will be seen in Jersey along with Mrunal Thakur. The two actors recently completed the Uttarakhand schedule of the film. Jersey is a Hindi remake of the Telugu hit of the same name. The Hindi version is also being directed by Gautam Vinori, who helmed the 2019 original. The story is about a talented but failed cricketer named Arjun, who decides to make a comeback in his late 30s and play for India in order to fulfill his son's wish. Actress Kriti Kharbanda has been diagnosed with malaria. Bored of resting, she has asked fans to send her memes. The actress was scheduled to start shooting for her next project, Chauda Feri, opposite Vikrant Messi, but her ill health has put shooting on hold. "Hi, this is Malaria Wala Face. Say hi world, it's just visiting. Not here stay cause I need to get back to work. To all those who are worried about me, I'm doing better today and hoping for an even better tomorrow. I feel a little shitty from time to time, but that's okay. This year has taught me patience and self-love. We'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for your love," she wrote in an Instagram post on Friday. Bollywood actor Siddhant Chaturvedi took out time from his hectic schedule in Goa to go surfing and posted snapshots of his experience on Instagram. In the first picture, Siddhant holds a surfing board, raring to go. In the second image, he surfs on the ocean waters, and in the third photograph, he flaunts washboard abs, holding on to the surfboard. He wrote this little poem as caption, "You are the tides, they say you belong to the sea. I am the moon, and only we know. You belong with me, we will never meet, we will never hear. The playful pull and the hurtful push, you are waving within and I'm going around you, year after year." Siddhant, who rose to fame as MC Sher in the Ranveer Singh starrer Gully Boy, will next be seen in films Phone Booth and Bunty Aur Bubbly 2. Actress Kajal Agarwal and husband Gautam Kichlu are off to honeymoon, though they are not revealing the destination yet. Kajal updated her fans about the trip by posting photos on Instagram on Saturday. She shared photos of their luggage and what seems to be their passports with custom-made covers. They are marked Gautam Kichlu and Kajal Kichlu, indicating that she has changed her surname after her October wedding. On one of the pictures, Kajol wrote, "Ready to go." Another one said, "Bags are packed." Kajal and Gautam got married on October 30th in Mumbai. Filmmaker choreographer Farah Khan on Friday confessed that she does not mind repeating her clothes in public. Farah took to Instagram and shared a throwback picture with superstar Salman Khan from the sets of Bigg Boss. In the image, she sports a green kurta. A few days ago, she was spotted wearing the same kurta on the sets of India's Best Dancer. In 2013, Farah had hosted Bigg Boss 8 for a while because Salman had to shoot for Bajrangi Bhaijaan even as the reality show was on.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.